Hi guys, BMW for European, BMW for English. 2015 Series 1, under, above, they are all same. Main common, master switch. What happens now, this one, they don't work. None of them. Only mirror. See? You see? But none of them. So we know we've got electric, live electric comes in. We know that the fuse is not blown up because it's one of them it still works, this one. So it could be motor starter. How do you test your motor starter? Instead opening this one and checking it. What you need to do is just either press this one or this one. Let's see. See? I'll just put my windows down with switch. So let's if it works with this one. Nope, 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 nope. And still this one works, yeah. So we know we've got a healthy motor. So motor is fine because it works. Let's test it again. All of them was going up. So what I found is this one. Inside here there is a motherboard. Let's open it up because I bought a new one from eBay which cost me £15. I have to open it up just a second. Alright. Just got this one off. Right. So when you open it up, make sure you use something plastic and open it up from here. Do not open it up from the back, otherwise you will break these two clips. Right. So I've got new one, which is I bought it off Amazon. eBay for £15, which is bargain. Make sure that number matches your number. So don't worry about the last two numbers. Only these two. Only 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. These 7 numbers must match your numbers, otherwise it won't work. So let's test our new one. Holy shit! Let's test our new one. So this is our new one, which is SF36, and this is our old one. Right. Right. Let's see if it works. Okay. It works now. So what was the problem? This is the old one. Inside here there is a motherboard. I opened it up. There was dust, corrosion, and you name it, anything. It was inside. Water could get into. Water could get into here. So I opened it up, cleaned it a little bit, and it was working. And I thought, wow, I will clean it properly and make sure it will work forever. And I kind of messed around with it a little bit. I damaged some wires, so it stopped working. So open it up, clean it nicely. Make sure when you open it from here. Otherwise you would, you know, kind of mess with these bottoms, and they're very hard to go in. So open it up from this position, yeah, uplift, yeah. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 screw, and then you need to open from here as well. Yeah, check it out. If it's dirty, clean it up. If it works, that means it works. If not, that means this motherboard is gone. You need to buy one off eBay for £15, or I don't know how much yours is gonna cost. Thank you very much.